Assalamu alaikum. Students, welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. The new file, the new series, the new session is going to be start today and the first practical of language reading exercise. In the environment you can find few material regarding sounds and formation of words. The further you need to blend sounds to make words, but before all that, let's start our first ever practical that is related to understanding and observing the sound. The sound, a letter, an alphabet, or in Urdu, huruf-e-tahajji. For this particular purpose in class we have sandpaper cards. Sandpaper cutted letters can be seen on green board either in Urdu or in English. Here you have complete sound. In English sandpaper board you can see two colors, the one with basic phonics, phonetic making sounds, and the red ones that are consonants. How we gonna use these basic cards of sandpaper? The directors have soon show two fingers to the child, and the first two fingers from the top to bottom, according to the formation, the child has to trace that particular sound. That is either a letter at alphabet or Urdu huruf-e-tahajji. The first two fingers of right hand or the dominating one has to be shown, then trace over the sandpaper cutouts that is a particular letter. Like we have O, we have F, we have K.